أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم أهلا وسهلا إلى مركز العلوم والحكمة Remote Study. Welcome to the fourth part of our lesson series from the book titled Learn Tajweed with Ease. I am Mudaris Sulaiman Ali. Happy listening. In this part of the lessons, we are going to discuss Nunun Sakina. Nunun Sakina. Nunun Sakina. What is Nunun Sakina? Nunun Sakina means Nunun carrying sukun. Nunun with sukun. Just like the one you can see here. It is called Nunun Sakina in Tajweed. As a student of Tajweed, when you see a nun carrying sukun in the Noble Quran, so you refer to it as Nunun Sakina. Nunun Sakina. That is the language, and you must learn it. Nunun Sakina. MashaAllah. So Nunun Sakina is a special letter, and one must treat it specially. One of the features of Nunun Sakina is called Ghunnah. Ghunnah. What is Ghunnah? Nasal sound. Ghunnah means nasal sound. A sound that comes from the nose. Ghunnah, from the nasal cavity. Nasal sound. Ghunnah. The sound of Nunun carrying sukun is from the nose. Is from the nasal cavity. That is why it is called nasal sound. Now I am going to read the Nunun with sukun again, without blocking my nose. Man. 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 Now I am going to read it again, blocking my nose. I try to make comparison between the way I pronounce it when my nose was not blocked and the way I'm going to pronounce it now while my nose is blocked. Okay, let's start. Man. 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 Did you observe that? MashaAllah. Yes, you did. You too can do the same. MashaAllah. So Ghunnah means nasal sound. A sound coming from nasal cavity. Nunun Sakina, Nunun carrying sukun. One of the things that is known with Nunun Sakina is called Ghunnah. Ghunnah. Ghunnah, nasal sound. So then we have Nunun Mushaddada. There is what is called Nunun Mushaddada in Tajweed. What is Nunun Mushaddada? Nunun Mushaddada means Nunun carrying Shadda. Nunun with Shadda. A Shadda is a symbol in Arabic that is similar to W in English. Shadda. See Shadda, the symbol here. Shadda. A symbol in Arabic similar to W in English, written vertically. Nunun Mushaddada. What is Nunun Mushaddada? Nunun carrying Shadda. It is also a special letter in the Noble Quran. One has to treat it specially, with special care. Nunun Mushaddada. So what is the rule of Nunun Mushaddada? Nunun carrying sukun. The rule of Nunun Mushaddada is Ghunnah. Is Ghunnah. By now I'm very sure that the term Ghunnah is no longer strange to you. You know what it is all about. It is all about the sound coming from the nose, from the nasal cavity. So Nunun Mushaddada, Nunun with Shadda. One must give it a special tone. Whenever you come across Mimun or Nunun carrying Shadda, you must read your Nunun with Shadda with that special tone, as in uncle. Uncle. So you must give it that special tone. Here is Nunun Mushaddada. Nunun carrying Shadda. Nunun Mushaddada. The Shadda indicates duplication of letter. The Shadda is telling you that the letter below, the letter under me, or the letter written under me has been doubled. It's no longer one letter. There are two letters. That is the indication of shadda. As we can see it here. There are two nunun here. The first nunun is carrying sukun, while the second one is carrying fatha. So both of them can be matched together with shadda. So whenever you see nunun carrying shadda, you must read it with special tone. So to indicate the sound of Ghunnah in the noon. For instance, if I'm to read this, I'll read it as inna, inna, inna Allaha ma'as sabirin. Remember I told us that whenever you are to apply Ghunnah, your Ghunnah must start with the first letter. We are having two nunun here now. So your Ghunnah must start with the first nunun, which is the one carrying sukun here. Inna. Did you get that? Inna. So your Ghunnah must start with the first letter. Inna. Immediately you read your E, that sound must follow it. Inna. Inna. Just like uncle. Uncle. Inna. So that is how you apply Ghunnah to nunun mushaddada. Nunun carrying shadda. Nunun with shadda. You must treat it with special care as an active student of Tajweed. And you must know how to make reference to it in Arabic, not in English. Inna Allaha ma'as sabirin. I hope you understand. So the sound is called Ghunnah. So the rule of nunun carrying shadda is Ghunnah. The rule of nunun carrying shadda is Ghunnah. I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Nunun mushaddada. Nunun mushaddada. Then we have another one called mimun mushaddada. Mimun mushaddada. What does that mean? Mimun with shadda. So this is supposed to be mimun, not nunun. Mimun. So mimun mushaddada. Mimun with shadda. Mimun with shadda. So mimun with shadda is another special letter in the Quran, in the Noble Quran, that has to be treated with special care. Mimun with shadda. So what is the rule of mimun carrying shadda, or mimun that has shadda written on top of it? So the rule is Ghunnah also, just like nunu mushaddada. So the rule of mimun carrying shadda is Ghunnah. Ghunnah is that special tone that comes out of the nose from the nasal cavity. So mimun mushaddada. So the rule of mimun mushaddada is Ghunnah. So the rule of mimun carrying shadda is Ghunnah. You must apply Ghunnah wherever you see mimun with shadda, just like this one. I told us the shadda indicates duplication of letter. The shadda is telling you the letter written under me are two, not one. As we can see it here, there are two mimun. The first mimun is carrying sukun, while the second one is carrying fatha. Then you match them together. With shadda. So you must apply Ghunnah. How are we going to read this? So we read it as thumma, 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 instead of thumuma, thumuma, thumuma. There's no way you can read thumuma without difficulty. So to avoid the difficulty, that is why you need to match them together and read your mimun with Ghunnah, just to avoid the difficulty. Thumma, thumma. Okay, let's treat more examples on that. How do we read this? Amma, amma, amma. What of this? Amma. This ainun. Remember, read your ainun from the center of the throat. Amma, amma, amma yatasa'alun. Then mimma. Remember, I told us that tone must start with the first letter. Mimma, 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 Okay, what of this? How do you read it? Kunna, kunna, kunna. What of this? Anna, anna, anna. You know this alifun is saying, draw the letter before me. What do we call it? Alifun maddin. That is the name in Arabic. How do you read this? Inna, 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 inna Allah ma'ana, inna Allah ma'ana. MashaAllah. How do you read this? Thu, thu, thu. Thumma. Remember how to read your tha'un by placing the tip of your tongue on the back edge of your front teeth. Then tha'un is pronounced correctly. Thumma. Thumma. Thumma kalla saya'lamun. Thumma kalla saya'lamun. Thumma. So you must apply that special tone known as Ghunnah. Ghunnah. So you must apply Ghunnah to your mimu mushaddada and nunun mushaddada. Learn how to call them in Arabic. Mimun mushaddada or nunun mushaddada. That is the name. So an artist student of Tajweed must know how to refer to them with the name mimun mushaddada or nunun mushaddada. لعلك فهمت. I hope you understand. MashaAllah. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. Kindly like the video, share it, and hit the subscribe button below. مع السلامة وإلى اللقاء آخر.